There is a place on Earth where sunlight dies, where time feels stretched thin, and where living things drift through the dark, looking broken, pale, unfinished. Down here, creatures wear sagging skin, empty eyes, and twisted shapes, as if they've already lost a fight with death. But they're not dying. They're perfectly alive. To understand why, we have to descend, past the last traces of warmth, past the familiar ocean, into a world that feels more like another planet than part of our own. As we sink deeper, the first thing to disappear is color. At just a few hundred meters down, reds fade to black. Yellows turn dull. Everything becomes blue. Then gray. Then nothing at all. For animals here, looking alive no longer matters. Many deep-sea fish appear pale, translucent, even sickly. Their skin looks thin, stretched, almost unfinished, because pigment is useless where there is no light. Instead of spending energy on vibrant colors or thick muscle, they invest in survival. Some grow soft, jelly-like bodies that barely resist gravity. Others lose scales entirely, wearing skin that looks fragile enough to tear. It raises a strange question. If no one can see you, what does healthy even mean? And this is only the beginning. Go deeper, and the ocean starts to push back. At 1,000 meters, the pressure is enough to crush steel. At 4,000, it's like having a mountain resting on your body. Bones become a liability here. That's why many deep-sea creatures look collapsed or melted, with loose jaws, sagging faces, and bodies that seem barely held together. Fish like the blobfish aren't actually blobs in their natural habitat. Down here, their bodies are perfectly balanced with the pressure around them, but when brought to the surface, they collapse, revealing a shape that looks wrong. Their half-dead appearance is a trick of physics, not failure. Still, scientists wonder, how close to the edge of structural collapse can life exist before it simply falls apart? Now, the food disappears. No plants grow in total darkness. No steady supply of meals drifts down here. So deep-sea creatures live in a constant state of near starvation. That's why many look skeletal, why their mouths are too large, their stomachs too loose, their eyes too empty. Some fish can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey larger than themselves, because the next meal might not come for months. Others have slow, sluggish movements, conserving energy so carefully that they resemble corpses drifting with the current. Their bodies are built not for speed, but for waiting. This raises a deeper mystery. How long can life endure on almost nothing before survival itself becomes indistinguishable from decay? Deeper still, we reach places humans have barely touched. Here, animals blur the line between living and not living at all. Some have no eyes, others have organs we don't fully understand. Gel-filled chambers, glowing patches, nerve systems spread thin and wide. Many seem unfinished, asymmetrical, or damaged. Yet they function flawlessly in an environment designed to erase life. Scientists still don't know how some of these creatures reproduce, or how long they live, or how close they are to extinction or evolution into something else entirely. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Are these animals barely surviving, or perfectly adapted to a reality we can't fully comprehend? From the surface, these creatures look half dead, but in truth, they are shaped by a world that strips life down to its bare minimum. No beauty for display, no strength wasted, no guarantees of tomorrow. They are reminders that life doesn't always look vibrant or whole. Sometimes survival wears the face of ruin, and as strange as they seem, they live just miles beneath us, in an ocean we've explored less than the surface of the moon. If such alien forms exist here, on our own planet, what else is waiting in the dark? Because the deeper we look, the more the world reminds us how little we truly know.